Alrighty, this is Hippie back again, H&H Racing Bad Back and Knees Club. Alright, so we've got all of our parts open. We've got this thing polished up. So you've got your bottom seal. Remember that the cup goes up. That goes on first. And then we're going to install our new slider bushing. And there's a lip on it. The lip goes to the bottom because that's what pinches in between the thing. And this is so much tighter. Again, you can just, this is really gonna do something special for this bike. It's gonna literally make the front end like new. I'm tickled about it. You can see that that's your old unit and that's your new unit. They're actually rubber coated and they've got flats where the dowel pin goes to keep it from rubbing inside of the tube. So it's real important when we set our dowel pin that we don't have any overhang and we've got them even. But you can actually see that it's flatted for just that reason. But you can see that thing was completely wore out. The rubber was actually up in the spring on this thing when I took it apart. And we're going to slide it on and line our holes up with the fork. Just like that. And then we're going to be able to take our spring assembly, put it in there, line that hole up, there you go, and see right through it. That's just how it should be. And we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my Teflon board here and we're going to set this roll pin let's get our alignment perfect, because it's not right now. Now let's see here. That is. Yeah. That is. Let's see what the deal is. Lift the hair off when you push it down. Alright, so there you go. There's our setup, and I'm going to take the punch and make sure it'll go all the way through so I know we're perfectly aligned. So that's the punch, and then what I like to do is leave the little punch in and stick it through the hole, and then chase it with the new pin to help keep everything aligned while it's going together. Alrighty, and so there we go. When we're still setting up, I'm going to go ahead and finish that. But I got to get my pin off the floor, or get my punch off the floor, and we'll go ahead and finish setting it. We're getting close. A couple more whacks. Alright, well there's our roll pin set. You can see you got no overhang, it's even on all sides. And we've got our sealed. We've got our bushing, our slider, and again, this is going to tighten this unit up so much. Again, I'm really tickled to be doing this project. It's absolutely a beautiful resto mod. If you hadn't seen it before, that is that is how it came back from powder coat, and that's what state of assembly we're in right now. That's a 140 in the hole, a 140 Piranha. So this is going to be one heck of a machine. I really look forward to seeing the customer's face when he comes pick this thing up. I know how cool he thinks it is, and I know how cool I think it is. But anyway, when we go to reassemble the forks, I'll come back and we'll shoot another one, because I still got to rebuild the other side. You've seen it done once, you don't need to see it done twice.